Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new, hi, my name is Shyla. So in today's video, I'm doing this date night smoky eye and a classic bold red lip. So if you guys want to see how I achieve this look, then please just keep on watching. Okay, so I did my brows. So now we're gonna prime them with this new concealer I used. This is the Bonus Light concealer. And you know, same old thing. I got powder on me, so don't mind this. This is all that powder that I just don't mind it. Take my beautiful Barcelona palette by BH Cosmetics, and I'm just gonna take this shade right here. There. So we're gonna kind of this blood, but I'm gonna keep this kind of tight. Like I don't want it to be too round. I don't want to be wing it out. I just kind of want to keep this as tight in my eye as possible. I don't want it to look messy. I'm gonna use this one to kind of warm it up, and then I'm gonna use this one to deepen up my crease. So I'm gonna use these two shades. Contour brush. I don't use it for contour because I don't contour my nose, but I'm definitely gonna take this black shade. You can see it's icon, and I'm just gonna start stamping this on my lid like that. Now, this is where I always mess up. So you have to be very careful with black because it's hard to take away. It's easy to add, but hard to take away. So I'm gonna start blending all of that together. Now there's a reason I didn't take this shade all the way down, because with this eye, you don't want to get too messy. You don't want too much product in one place. I think that looks so it doesn't look nutty. I don't like looking crazy. I'm sure everybody doesn't like looking crazy, but I sure as heck don't like looking nutty, like, especially. That looks so good. I did it, guys. I did it. Okay, don't freak out. Guys, I did it. I'm so excited. Okay. Oh, that was a lot. Okay. Millennial or Peach Echo? I'll probably use Peach, honestly. Just being honest. So I'm gonna look crazy, but I'm gonna do my eyes and then I'm gonna come back and do the complexion. Okay, so I lied again. I'm so sorry. The Peach Echo ones, I think they're really made for no eyeshadow looks. So I use the Millennial pinks. They're from VLuxe. eyelashes. They're really cute. They're the wing, but I'm probably going to redo them because I feel like this one looks different from this one. But if I don't redo them, they'll freaking well. The same old, oh Lord. Is this black stuff on me? Oh, hello. I'm gonna have to get up. It's getting... Okay, we're gonna use this primer again. The primer is really good. I cannot stress that enough. My NARS Radiant or Natural. This is in the shade Millennial. Eyebrow, bro. So I hate this. I hate this so much. This is a fail. I'm not even gonna lie. Like, so many bad things have been happening throughout this video. Oh Lord. I have to fix that. I need to fix it now because if I don't fix it now, I'm gonna get irked. Tasia and Splendid, these two shades. I'm just gonna mix these. And we're just gonna just nothing too much, but I just like a little bit of a flush of a color. Okay, I'm gonna use my MAC lip pencil. This is in the shade Chestnut. So I'm gonna line my lips with this. I usually use my lovely Teddy. My Makeup Forever. I don't know where it is. Okay guys, this is the completed look. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, give me a thumbs up and then subscribe to my channel if you aren't already. Thank you guys so much for watching, and until next time, bye!